Children are curious most of the time. They love asking questions and soak up information as much as they can. But as they start growing up, this natural love of learning is lost. They avoid trying new things and also dread school sometimes. Luckily, we have some tips and tricks up our sleeves to help your child learn in a fun and an engaging way. Hi, my name is Suramya and today I am going to share 6 different ways in which you can make your child's learning fun and engaging. Number 1, help your child find their interest and passion. Ask your child about what they like, they are reading and they are watching, and help them develop the knowledge and interest in there. Number 2, always give a hands-on experience to the child. Books and pen is not just enough to make the child interested in a subject. Instead, give a hands-on experience. For example, if a child likes to study about aquatic animals, take them to an aquarium. Number 3, make learning fun. A very dry and a boring subject can also be very interesting with some creative games like quiz, scavenger hunt, and more such like that. Use brain breaks to avoid monotony of a difficult subject. For more such tips, stay tuned for our next video and don't forget to subscribe.